Rice, soft, fragrant, and comforting. It's the heart of countless meals across Asia and around the world. But behind that warm bowl of rice hides a danger almost no one talks about. A silent threat that can make you or your loved ones very sick if you're not careful. Most people think rice is harmless. But when it's handled the wrong way, it can quietly turn toxic. Here's what really happens. Uncooked rice can carry a bacteria called Bacillus cereus. Cooking kills most of it, but heat-resistant spores can survive. If the rice is left at room temperature for too long, those spores multiply fast and release toxins that cause food poisoning. The worst part? Even reheating won't destroy those toxins. So rice that looks and smells perfectly fine could actually make you sick within hours. The symptoms hit suddenly. Vomiting, stomach pain, diarrhea, often mistaken for a simple stomach bug. While symptoms usually go away within 24 hours. In severe cases, especially among young children, the elderly, or those with weak immune systems, it can become much more serious. The World Health Organization has even listed Bacillus cereus as one of the top foodborne pathogens in the world. So here's how to keep your family safe. Backhand index pointing down. Cool rice quickly after cooking. Put leftovers in the fridge within 1 hour, don't wait. If it's been left out for more than 4 hours, throw it away. When reheating, make sure it's steaming hot all the way through, and only reheat once. Now, here's the good news. If you store rice properly, it can actually become healthier. When cooled in the fridge, it forms resistant starch, a natural fiber that helps control blood sugar and improves gut health. So yes, rice can comfort, heal, or harm. The difference is in how you handle it. If you found this helpful, follow and subscribe for more true health facts that could protect your family.